Alicia Von Bokel here with Merits. Thanks again for joining me today. As we all should be well aware, trust and transparency aren't just optional in today's dealership world. They are required. They are everything. You need both of those. You can't just have one or the other, but you need them both in order to secure a transaction with a customer. From the moment that customer lands on your website, which they will do before they call or come in, they're watching, they're scrolling, they're reading, they're deciding. They're deciding whether they trust you enough to go take that next step, which is fill out a lead form or call or come in or whatever have you be. Whether you realize it or not, you start building a relationship with that customer far before you have any actual human interaction with that customer. What happens when we fail to provide trust and transparency? Let me break it down. For starters, you lose the sale. Probably not just that one, right? Customers are way too informed. They're way too smart. There's way too much information out there to be consumed. So when they even get a sense of a hint of discrepancies or dishonesties or vague pricing, most often, they're gone. They're bounced, right? No trust equals no transaction. Maybe put that on a big whiteboard somewhere in your dealership. No trust equals no transactions. Number two, you're going to get bad reviews, right? Unhappy customers often speak louder than your most satisfied customers. They're going to take to the social medias almost instantly, almost immediately, even probably before walking out of your dealership. So just avoid that altogether. Three, your leads go cold. People don't like to interact. People don't want to respond to follow-ups that sound shady or robotic or AI created. What that does is create hundreds of unnecessary, forever follow-up tasks that really bog down the effectiveness and the efficiency of your BDCs and sales team. You're going to burn the brand, not just your dealership. Your marketing ROI efforts are going to plummet, and ultimately, net, you're going to have really unsatisfied, unhappy sales folks who are going to struggle to be successful in your dealership. And last I checked, when your employees are unhappy and frustrated, that typically doesn't amount to high profits in ROI, right? Without trust and transparency, you're going to lose a whole lot more than just that one customer with that one interaction. So, bottom line, do yourself a favor. Take an extra 2-3 minutes, read the article we have included below, read through some of the examples, and go through some trust and transparency exercises with your team. Make sure they all understand whatever their role is. Make sure they fully understand just how important it is and how we can ensure that we're making the right impression with every single interaction. And of course, if you need more information or need some additional coaching, please reach out to us here at Merits. We are always happy to help. Thanks a lot, all, and we'll be talking to you real soon again. Bye now.